Looking for reliable locksmith services? Sure Lock & Key is your trusted local expert. We've been serving the Glenview community for years, providing top-notch locksmith solutions. Whether you're locked out of your home, need new car keys, or want to upgrade your business's security, our skilled technicians are available 24/7 for all your emergency and routine locksmith needs. For residential services, we offer lock repair, rekeying, new lock installation, and smart lock solutions. Protect your family and valuables with our advanced home security options. Commercial clients rely on us for master key systems, access control, and high-security lock installation. We help businesses maintain a secure environment and control access effectively. Automotive locksmith services include car key replacement, transponder key programming, and ignition repair. No matter your vehicle's make or model, we've got you covered on the road. Sure Lock & Key is committed to providing prompt, professional, and affordable services. Our technicians are licensed, insured, and continuously trained on the latest lock technologies. We pride ourselves on exceptional customer service and ensuring your complete satisfaction. Contact Sure Lock & Key today for a free estimate or immediate assistance.